Hey everybody, it's December 17th. We got the morning market rundown here. Let's dive into this price action, talk about some potential price scenarios. So we got the daily time frame on the left, 30-minute time frame on the right. We could see we made that new all-time high, have been experiencing profit taking, trading sideways. We got a close above that all-time high anchored VWAP yesterday and a gap down today in the pre-market. So we'll see how this pre-market holds by the open, see if we move sideways, get back above this anchored VWAP, or decline. So we got some key levels we talked about on the daily time frame in yesterday's video. Let's get into the price action for today. So we could see the pre-market, we have this gap down, we have our month-to-date VWAP here, and we have our 2-day VWAP. Okay, I'm going to put a 3-day VWAP right here, which coincides with our month-to-date VWAP. So we could see that's a key level in our line in the sand for today. And that's right where we rallied up in the pre-market high, is that month-to-date VWAP. So if we could start to trade back above, kind of play into this scenario, maybe shake out a little bit deeper into this 604.10, maybe fill this gap down here, 603.94, fill this gap. So maybe potentially this pulls a little bit deeper today, and then we start to rally back above our daily VWAP, which would be something like this here, and that could be our daily VWAP. So what I'm looking for today is to see if we can rally back above the 605.26, reclaim the daily VWAP, push into the month-to-date VWAP at 605.60, 605.75, this 3-day VWAP. Okay, you can see this previous area of support. So this could be a potential area of supply. We won't know till hindsight. So I'm going to monitor that to see if we get some profit taking down, break back above. So the key thing is to see if we could reclaim this week-to-date VWAP and this 3-day VWAP. That could fuel our push to get to this 2-day VWAP. And then maybe we experience some profit taking back down to 605.73. So we get to that 2-day, and then we pull back, and then let the economical events come out, and then maybe potentially see a continued upside push here back to the 609.04 and a drive to a potential new all-time high. So if this 604.72 area breaks, monitor that decline into 603.91. Okay. If 603.91 breaks, monitor a further decline down to 602.20 and that potential 600 level. Okay. Maybe we get a lot of people chasing up here, rinse them out one more time, and then could start to set up with that economical event. So let's get into the QQQ price action. QQQ gapped up, made a new all-time high, and it's experiencing some profit taking right now. We can see here so far, as the pre-market drove up, it's given up some of its gains. So here's our line in the sand on the QQQ. We got the 2-day VWAP here. So if this 2-day, maybe this 2-day VWAP breaks a little bit, bounces back, hits that daily VWAP, and we get some further profit taking down into this 530 area. And then maybe could potentially set something up later in the week here. So this would be the daily VWAP. Just kind of watch that daily VWAP to start to become the support. Maybe we get back right back above here. And start getting going on the and hold this daily VWAP. And we start to get continuation to the upside. So these are the potential scenarios that I'd be monitoring to see if we continue to decline, just continue to trade under that daily VWAP. We'd even put a VWAP from yesterday's high here. You can see that's right where we rallied to. Now let's get a 3-day VWAP. We'll change this to the 3-day. So maybe potentially we get a pull back to this 3-day VWAP area. And we can see the month-to-date VWAP is much different from the SPY scenario, and it's trading down here much lower, where price is trading underneath and rally to it in the pre-market. So that's a potential scenario I'm looking for on the Q. Maybe we pull back to this 533 level, rally back above into the 2-day VWAP, start to consolidate, break the 2-day VWAP, and get going. Maybe we push right back up, start to reclaim this 538.17, starts to act as support, gives us a launch pad to push into 540. If we break that 536.20 and that 2-day VWAP, monitor that potential level of interest, like we just talked about, was the 3-day VWAP. If the 3-day VWAP doesn't hold, monitor that 530 round number where we discussed in past videos, and actually looked for a retest in the pre-market we played it. So if you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. If there's anything you'd like to see in these videos, just drop them in the comments. If you'd like when I dig into the smaller time frames better, stay in the 30. Any feedback would be appreciated. Thank you.